Welcome to the tip of the day. I'm Ted Ings.
And I'm Jen Anthony for CPI. Today's tip, what is paintless dent repair? Sometimes a little dent in your vehicle can leave a big dent in your wallet. The traditional body shop technique used to repair these dents and dings can leave the car owner with an expensive and lengthy repair process.
Permaplate's Paintless Dent repair process repairs dings from the inside of the vehicle's panel to return the metal to its original state. They repair your vehicle professionally and quickly without the need for sanding, body fillers, or new paint.
It provides unlimited ding and dent repairs up to 4 inches in diameter with no out-of-pocket expenses or deductible, and comes with a lifetime guarantee. It also includes hail coverage up to $1,000.
Paintless Dent repair provides you with peace of mind,
allowing you to get back to your life. You'll never need to worry about another shopping cart or open car door dent again.
Since 1978, the team at Permaplate has been offering a range of automotive protection programs to vehicle owners, dealers, and agents. They take customer satisfaction very seriously, and their goal is to make sure your customers are provided a world-class experience. That's why they offer a range of programs to best suit your customers' needs.
And that's the tip of the day. Ready to learn more? Visit us at permaplate.com. Thanks for watching.